Good day guys, today it's going to be the special Manglorean peppered pork. For this I have a beautiful 1 kilo of pork. Okay, they are with bone and they are cut into nice cubes. You know, there should be fat, which is very important. And then I have a nice ball of tamarind water. Okay, I have it's a ball of tamarind with water, salt to taste, coriander leaves from my herb patch. Not much. Just a small bunch of turmeric powder, and I have ginger garlic paste. We are going to put 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have crushed pepper. It's going to be 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon of crushed pepper. I have some cloves. Yeah, it's around 10 to 12, 15 cloves, and there is some sticks. I'm going to make a powder out of this. And then I have coriander leaves that much, mint leaves that much, curry leaves that much, bay leaves for after. 1 onion for the mix before, 1 onion chopped this way for after, and we will all put this in the beautiful pressure cooker, and then we will cook it for say around 10 minutes only, and then I will show you the next process. Very simple and very tasty. Beautiful Manglorean pork pepper. So the cloves and the sticks, cinnamon sticks are crushed. We will drop them in here, okay, and then we will add the ginger garlic paste, that much, 1 tablespoon. Or so now we'll add the crushed pepper, okay, 1 teaspoon, and maybe a little bit more. We're a little careful with this one. Then we have 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll drop we'll drop the tamarind water in there, and then we will drop the onion in there. Right? All this will be now mixed together along with the beautiful green stuff. Okay? The mint, the coriander, chopped coriander, and the chopped curry leaves. All together we will mix them nicely and then drop it in the pressure cooker with some lovely rice wine vinegar. There you go, rice wine vinegar. This is the magic vinegar, 1 nice tablespoon. Okay, that's it, sufficient. Eh? All this will go into the pressure cooker, and then we will start cooking. Right, very simple. Okay, not very difficult at all. So we'll add a little bit of water here so that we capture all the ingredients, right? That's it, nothing. So it's on a low medium flame, right? Mix it nicely, and low medium flame. We will wait till it boils well, and then we'll shut the lid. So wait for it to boil, but don't worry if you don't have rice wine vinegar, you can use normal vinegar. I'm putting this 4 Bedigi chilies. Remember, just on top. I'm not cutting them or grinding them. This is for the spiciness of this beautiful dish, the Manglorean pork pepper. Make sure you check your salt, and you please add adequate salt. Okay? The reason for me to cook in this pressure cooker is just because I need those bones to be cooked. Right? 1.5 teaspoon is fine. Okay, not more. So I'm adding a bit of water, because I need the meat to get immersed in properly. Okay, should not be less the water, and should not be more. Okay, so that's perfectly fine. Okay, it's going to leave water as you cook. All right. Time to close the lid now. So you will see I've closed the lid, and you will see the steam. That's the time we put the weight on and wait for 10 minutes. Only. So after the 10 minutes, okay, we shut the fire and we will have a look. Oh my God, looks perfect, hey? Now we will transfer it into the cooking dish. Okay, looks amazing. I tasted it and it is delicious, man. This Manglorean pork pepper is OMG. So I've kept a nice pot. Heat it up, and we will put some olive oil. Okay, that's the trick, eh? And we will drop the onion and saute it as, you know, till the time it becomes a bit clear. Okay, just saute this. The onion is clear, time to add the beautiful bay leaves. And give it a nice stir. As soon as the aroma of the bay leaves starts releasing, I think it's ready now. That's spicy, eh? Time for me to drop the beautiful pork in there. Beautiful Manglorean pork pepper is ready, guys. Manglorean pork pepper, Mangalapura pork pepper, Mangalore pork pepper is ready, guys. Cheers. Try this at home. Very tasty, delicious, delicious, delicious. I'll tell you, it is delicious. Okay, I will do the tasting, but I'll tell you it's delicious. So this beautiful Mangalore pork pepper is ready, guys. Very, very delicious. I'll tell you, have it with some bowl of rice, some chapati, and it's going to be tasty. Trust me, don't miss this one, please. Oh my God, just don't miss this one. It's going to be very, very tasty, eh? Very, 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 very tasty. Just have to fill this bowl. Oh my God. Cheers, guys. Enjoy this beautiful pork dish. Very delicious, very tasty. Have it with some steamed rice or probably, oh my God, with some bread. Cheers. The delicious Mangalorean pork pepper is ready and served, guys. Have it with some lovely, tasty basmati rice, boiled rice, or bread baguette, or probably a chapati. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Trust me, it's a very, very interesting dish and you will love this dish. Please try this at least once and you will really enjoy this one. Very simple ingredients, very easy to cook, a different technique in cooking, but you will really love this. Okay, 10 minutes on the pressure cooker, 5 minutes to finish the cook-off. Beautiful Mangalorean lovely pork pepper ready and served. Cheers, guys.